good, everybody? It's your girl Sharnique back with another beat. You feel me? Okay, no, let me stop. But back with another client tutorial. This video is strictly focused on eyeshadow and how to apply and how to do a nice eyeshadow look on your client. Pretty much going through my whole foundation routine. If you guys want to see how I achieve my foundation and how to highlight and contour, that video is already up on my channel, so go check it out. I will link it down in the description box. Same products I always use: Maybelline foundation, LA Pro Girl concealer. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup to set everywhere that I highlighted her face. And yeah, so moving on to the eyes. So I'm taking this Pretty Purple out of the Juvia's palette. And what I like to do when it comes to eyeshadow is, like, when I have one-on-one sessions, I always tell people that you want to blend downwards. Like, I like to do this downward motion and just buff as I go. And the brushes that I like to use, that I always use, are Real Technique brushes. And then I'm going to go back in that same palette and take this nice blue, and I'm pretty much doing the same thing. I'm buffing and blending downwards as I go. So that's pretty much what I like to do when it comes to shadow. And I feel like you can go as heavy as you want, but I feel like go heavy as you go. Like, start off a little light and then pack as you go. And you know, as you can see, I'm going in with different brushes, going back and forth with different brushes, because some brushes do different things, different techniques. Some brushes blend differently. So yeah, then I'm gonna go in my Morphe palette, and I'm taking just a plain black eyeshadow, and I'm putting that on top of the blue and the purple, and this is pretty much how it looks. So then I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and that same flat concealer brush that I use for pretty much every single thing. And I'm creating my cut crease. Now, how I like to create my cut crease is I pretty much like to start from the beginning or either the middle. I have a cut crease video up, so you guys should go check that out on how to do a cut crease for beginners. So I'm going in with two of those colors from the same palette that we started out with, and I'm pretty much blending the two as I go. So same thing I always say when it comes to foundation, you also want to blend your shadows out as well. So I'm going back in and I'm just buffing between those lines, because you don't want to leave those harsh lines how they look. You can kind of see the difference right here. So yeah, just a tip, FYI, you want to blend those harsh lines just like when you're blending your foundation. So I'm taking a black eyeshadow, and I'm just applying that at the outer corners of her lids, and I'm just buffing and blending. Like I said, I go in with different brushes, because different brushes do different things, and sometimes I use my finger like to blend. Don't be afraid to use your hands. So now I'm applying her liner. I like to use the NYX liquid liner, and here's a tip: I like to take some black eyeshadow and set the liner after I apply it. And this is for clients who like to open their eyes when you tell them not to open their eyes and their liner is still wet. So that's like a tip and a trick for you MUAs. You can set your liner with some black eyeshadow. So now I'm going in her waterline, and I'm applying a regular black gel liner. I got it from the hair store, and I'm going back in that palette, and I'm taking like the navy blue color, and I'm just applying that over the black liner, and I'm blending that out as I go. I feel like it's important to do the bottom eyes. Like, it just makes the whole look come together. You don't want to leave the bottom of the eye looking plain. Add something down there. So now I'm taking this pretty blue glitter that I got from this wholesale glitter like makeup glitter site, like for $1.25, and I'm taking the NYX glitter primer to use that to apply. I will also link that website down below. Get you some affordable glitters, sis. Affordable glitters and makeup glitter, cosmetic glitters actually, because it's important to use cosmetic glitter. You don't want to use like craft glitters from like Walmart and stuff like that. That's not good for your eyes. It's not good for your client's eyes. So FYI, get you some real cosmetic glitter. But yeah, this is the finished completed look. Also check out her channel. The link will be down in the description box. You guys should go also check her out. Yes, I love that color hair. Like, I had to do a colorful look. Like, this look came out super pretty. So if you guys enjoyed another tutorial with me, thumbs this video up, comment down below if you are enjoying these client tutorials, because I know I am. I love doing this, and I'm happy that I'm making other people happy by doing this. So yeah, thank you all for tuning in another video, and I will see you all in the next one.